There are only two types of people: those who have the chair and those who are lying. And you know which one you are.
Brother seats Junior. Then helps mother to her chair as he would his best girl.
I'm not talking about some dining chair, neither I'm talking about an office chair. What I am talking about is a chair that somehow became a laundry basket. Now, the chair which I'm referring to is both physical and it's also a symbolic representation of how our minds work. Well, it's strange because putting those clothes away will take almost 30 to 60 seconds, but still, we don't do it. So, is it the lack of discipline or are you just lazy? The answer is not as straight as it might seem. There's something much more interesting that is happening inside the human mind. Because these tiny habits, so ordinary that it deserves a fraction of our attention, is the perfect window to see how our brains deal with uncertainty, decision fatigue, and the invisible ways we procrastinate. And it's not by delaying huge life goals, but postponing tiny hundreds of decisions every single day, and later they compound. Imagine your brain as an expert librarian. Its job isn't just to remember things, it is to categorize them, such as books go onto shelves, files go into folders, and the whole world becomes manageable just because everything is having a place. Psychologists call this categorization theory. Our human brains naturally simplify reality into neat metal boxes such as friend or a stranger, clean or dirty. Now, this binary categories save our energy. But see what happens. You wore that jacket only for 20 minutes yesterday, and now that jacket is not clean, it's not dirty either, it's somewhere in the middle. Now your brain has a problem. There is no obvious category that you can put that jacket into. Putting that jacket in the wardrobe feels wrong. Putting that exact same jacket in the laundry feels wasteful, so instead, you create a third category that is the chair. Now, that chair isn't furniture anymore, it's a psychological compromise, a place for the things your brain has refused to classify. Something even more fascinating is happening. It's referred to as cognitive offloading. We humans constantly move our mental work into physical world, such as writing shopping list, setting phone reminders, keeping our keys by the door. And this is not because we are forgetful. Our brains are trying to free up that cognitive space, and the clothes on the chair works in the same way. Instead of making a decision now, our brains are trying to store that unfinished decision physically by the means of the chair. That chair becomes the external memory. Every item on that chair silently says decide later. And the problem with that later is that rarely comes. And this brings us to the psychology of this thing. It's because our brains in that moment are trying to spend as little energy as possible. This brings us to the end of part 1. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. I will be posting part 2 soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you around.